There are two kinds of working, no? Number one is you are working for money. Therefore, if you're working for money, actually what you're enjoying is what the money can buy for you. Therefore, hindi mo na-enjoy yung work, hindi ka nagiging magaling doon, hindi ka nagiging passionate. Therefore, ang income mo hindi rin lumalaki. Pero kumpara mo yung kung na-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo or the reason why you work, na-enjoy mo siya, nagiging magaling ka doon, nagiging passionate ka. Eventually, you become the best in what you're doing. Lumalaki din yung kita mo. And the best thing to do is follow what the Bible says. The Bible says in Colossians chapter 3, verse 23, it says, work as if you are working for the Lord and not for mere men, because your reward of inheritance comes from the Lord. Ibig sabihin nun is, kahit sino pa yung boss natin, consider that the ability that you have, the kind of work that you're doing, is something that you can do because God gave you the ability for that. And if you use that to glorify God in your work, to be excellent in what you're doing, makikita mo, nagiging magaling ka. And the Lord will be the one to promote you. And this is the key. Kaya sabi niya, do not work for mere men, work for me. And makikita mo eventually, siya ang nagpo-promote sa'yo. And that's the secret to being blessed in all kinds of work. Work as if you're working for the Lord.